Sorry if I'm getting in the way of this, I gotta lock me hood.
Ain't no stopping me, I drum inside of me. I'm paying for this bullets you gon' get for free.
Sheesh! Look at that. Okay, okay. Yep. It's about to go in. Bro, we're literally about to drop this in and I forgot to record, so. Thanks, bro. Thanks for reminding me.
Sorry if I'm getting in the way of this, I gotta lock me hood.
Man, I'm sobering up.
From New York. Hey, get the fuck off my jack. Get off my jack, B.
Look at this. It's just. Oh, what'd you break? I'm too strong. Look at this sick ass 1J. Okay, okay.
Let's just look at it. Let's not even put it in.
Yeah, we'll leave it in here. I saw him right behind you, bro.
Just me like.
Move it then. Move. Ray cam. Pull it.
Ray cam.
Pull what?
Pull what? I'll pull what?
Here, I got you, bro.
Oh, okay. Hercules put it in. Look at this. Shout out to all the gang. Gang. We were having trouble with the mounts, but this side wasn't too bad. But this side, we had to take it off of the subframe, actually put on the mount, and then it slipped in. Look how big this shit looks in here. Look at this clearance. I've seen engines where this is really tight here, but this clearance looks good. The heater hose has enough space over here and it doesn't crunch up. And the harness, you know, we'll tuck it under this piping. Should be sick. Mario's feeding the harness through right now. We're feeding it from the inside out. Oh shit, what's good? Hey, over fender install?
Over
It's gonna be so sick. How you like this? You're next, Jay-Z gang?
Yeah, honestly, dude. Hey, should I sell the SR and get a Jay-Z? Hello.
Yes. Dude, this engine mount over here was shit, but we got it done. Got the tranny installed. These were a bitch to put on, but we just put the screwdriver in and just like aligned it, but there's a lot of slack from the excessive mounts and stuff. It fits really good. This is the JZX100 tranny, so that has a tripod shifter. Look how good that shifter fits. The JZX90 transmissions, the shifter's like way forward. It would hit the stereo and shit, so this tripod looks sick. Hell yeah. Look how, dude, that fits so good. Can't believe it. Look at this fool. Feeding the harness through. Let me help you. Just pull. Yeah. Yo, feeding that harness through was not easy, but better than the other way. Got this all out. And then this is the main engine harness right here. Damn, Wiring Specialties does some good ass work. All labeled and shit. These are the part numbers for the heater hoses, and there's the barb connector. Yo, check how the heater hoses are coming out. This one looks really good. Yeah, this hose he's installing back here, I guess on the forum it said just to twist it. and we put the little connector right there. So weird. We were like, what the fuck? How do we do it? We thought we were gonna bend it 180, but nah. We just twist it. Now we good. Holy shit, these fuel lines kicked our ass. Mario's installing the return line right now from the fuel pressure regulator. We wanted to keep the stock fuel pressure dampener that's right here. We had to take it out of the block because it was just way too deep. Yeah, so this is how we're running it. It has this 90-degree bend right here. And then the inline fuel filter. And just run it behind the transmission. Yeah, so we're going to try to zip tie it to some brackets or something. Yeah, there's plenty of hose. We're probably going to cut it over here where this vent hose is. I think we just take off this hose and then bend it downwards because it's like a vent for the tank. And then we just cut it right down there. Got the harness all tucked in. Still got to plug in some shit. I guess some of these you don't need, like this traction control one. We don't know what that plug is, but whatever. It's too cold to work on this, dude. Whew.
No, it's not.
No?
Hella warm.
Cookie guy? Pizza guy? See you tomorrow. Damn, look at that intercooler. This is the CX Racing one. We're about to mount it real quick so we can figure out where to make the holes for the piping right here. We're trying to figure out where all these brackets go to install the intercooler. It's like this long as aluminum bar. I don't know how low it's gonna sit and shit. Hopefully it clears this bash bar. Still gotta figure out where all that shit goes. Then you can put in that dope ass gritty blow valve. Ooh, look at that. That sounds so sick. Mario got the valve cover on. Look, it's looking like a complete engine right here. All the wiring harness is all bolted up. We got the fuel lines all lined up and everything. Hella sick. We're using the stock S13 throttle cable. We looped it back here, ran it under the intake manifold, and then bolted it to the stock little throttle bracket right here. We tried to run it here, but it was way too short, so we had to put it over here. And it looks fine. Like, looks fine, so hopefully that's good. There's the fuel lines. We're probably gonna zip tie it over here to the brake lines, make it nice and tight away from the exhaust. We just installed the intercooler. It looks like the oil pan and the subframe a little lower, so, but I'll take the hit if you crash. Imagine. Hella bad. Nah, but look at this clearance. It's super tight. We still need to cut the holes for the intercooler. We're mocking that up right now. He picked up the MAF off what is it?
Lexus LS400.
The ones they give you when you buy the engine, they don't give you the housing for some reason, and you need it. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, because this video is probably gonna come out after, because we're grinding still. Hopefully it starts before New Year's, huh?
Yeah.
Fatty burnout? Oh shit. Foreshadowing, yep. For the starter plug, I guess Wire Specialties makes like an adapter plug, so he got that already. It'll probably come in today. So we gotta wire that in. From the previous video, we told you what we were gonna do. And yeah, we just drilled that hole. And then yeah, we cut this little rubber grommet bushing spacer.
Stock ones.
Yeah, the stock one, they fit, and it fit perfect. It fit perfect right here. Nice and tucked, and we still gotta cut this water neck. We'll figure that after. Alright guys. Raymond has my drill. So we cannot cut the holes for the intercooler until he gets here. Hopefully in a couple hours. Maybe before it doesn't get dark. But we kind of have it all mocked up to where it's going to line up. So we're good. We're going to tuck some wires for the meantime. Like all these unnecessary ones we don't need for the harness. We saved the ones that is the turn signal. Found all the plugs for the fuse boxes. We still got to mount that nice and clean. Right here where we found another plug we don't need. Okay, so the other problem we had. This housing for the the couplers, this one is too big. So he's got to go on eBay and find another reducer. This is like a 3.5. These are all like 3-inch piping, and this is a little bit too small for the ones they gave us. Cause on the website it's like they do the J pipe delete, or they go like a single turbo. But he's trying to keep it all stock, like very clean. So yeah, we just gotta make it work. We didn't want to run this harness through the inside of the engine bay. We kind of want to run it through the back. So we're gonna tuck it with the stock harness through the top, zip tie it, and then try to run it through here. I don't know if I said on the last video, but the connector for the starter on the harness that he got a new starter, and so it didn't plug in, and so he had to get this little extender. Now he's just soldering it. Dude, whoever had this engine before Mario had a magnetic drain plug and an HKS oil filter. Damn, they really took care of this engine. That's if you do that, you take care of your engine, man. That's like bougie shit right there. He's gonna get another one. He's like, bro, that mobile one? No, not enough for this. That's a disrespect. He did.
Some soap.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're about to make a trophy out of this. Bro, first oil filter. Straight from Japan. But he did get royal purple. So that's a good upgrade for sure. Yeah, what else? We bled the clutch, got the conversion line, everything went smoothly. Yeah, now just changing the oil. He is gonna get a different air filter. This one does not match the engine bay at all. He wants to get, which one do you want to get?
The HKS, the mushroom.
Oh yeah, he wants to get the HKS mushroom one. Dude, those are sick. I like those. They have like a honeycomb thing. It's like, I think they're green, so but it won't match either, but it still looks good. It is. Yeah, it does. Oh, Ray's almost on his way, so we could cut the fucking intercooler holes. Shit, man, it's looking good. It's looking so good. Damn. This is a big ass engine.